what we have to do now. We are going to sit in a chair. We are going to have our chair hammock, and with the left hand we are going to make a loop, and with the right hand we are going to pass the other part of the arm, making a final loop. You will have to pull very hard to make the final loop. So I'm gonna show you again. With the left hand we made the loop, with the right hand we made the final loop. So once we have the final loop, we are going to pass the metal piece through the final loop. You have to pull very hard. So once you have the metal piece in the other part, you will have the knot. Once you made the knot, you have to accommodate to have it in the center. I mean, we mark first the center of the wooden bar, so we have to accommodate the knot,